to this video, please take a second to subscribe to our channel. And
what's up, Chuck fam? I'm Diamond and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the post notifications button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Not only is this video for the new people who are thinking about being an Instacart shopper, but it's also for some of you old heads that, you know, you might not have it down pat right just yet. It's a lot of people that's saying they're not seeing batches because of this update, and it's plenty of reasons why that might be. I did make another video on how to reset your app and just how to start seeing the batches again, but there's other things that might be affecting you. So in this video, I will touch on all of those things, and yeah, I just really hope that you guys start seeing your batches. And like I said, for the people who are thinking about joining Instagram, I hope you're not getting discouraged by watching other videos of people saying like the pay isn't consistent and all that other stuff. Don't let anybody scare you off. This is your time to try it out for yourself, and yeah, because I'm telling you, you really can make some money. Like I said before, and in my first tip, there is really some money out here to be made. I say that because a lot of people sign in and they say, well, I don't see the shifts that you're talking about when I go out. I don't see these things. Well, my answer to that is you have to treat this like it's a business. Treat it like it's your business. So when it's your business, you're not waking up late, you're not arriving late. Get there early. These stores, most of the stores open around 7 o'clock. Get there at 7 o'clock, camp the stores. Make sure you're getting those batches that were put in from yesterday. The first come, first serve. You're at the store, you're gonna get the batches. A lot of the people will put their grocery order in at night, and then the next morning they expect it around 8 or 9, but those orders are already in, so if you're at the store, you're gonna get one. A lot of the times I like to get up at 5 o'clock. Our Kroger here opens at 5. I'll get to Kroger, get all those orders, be at Publix by 7, get those orders, be at Costco by 10, get those orders. And then throughout the day, all you're doing is really bridging the gap for, you know, the goals you set for yourself. So by 10 o'clock after that Costco drop, it's easy to have already made $100, $150 because you got the top orders from the stores that when they open. So another thing that they don't tell you is when you first sign up, there's a lot of money that you can't make just due to the fact that you're new. They send you out a pay card. They do allow you to start before you get that pay card, just because you can do like Apple Pay, Google Pay, but a lot of the stores don't take that, so you're limited to what batches that you see. That's another thing, guys. If you're or say you've been Instacart shopping for a while, well, have you activated your pay card, or are you just going off of the Google Pay, Apple Pay? Because if you haven't activated your pay card, you're not seeing those batches because Instacart's not giving them to you. Also, there's training in the app to allow you to deliver medicine. It's a couple of trainings that allow you to see more batches. So you'll start picking up orders from like CVS, Walgreens, different pharmacies. But in order to have access to those batches, you have to do the trainings. They're in-app trainings, like I said. Another reason why you might not be seeing the batches is because you don't have cooler bags. There is another button in the app where it allows you to upload pictures of your cooler bags, and then Instacart will send you batches that have say like a lot of things that needed to stay frozen. You have to have cooler bags for that. They're not going to send you those batches and then have these people food melting and stuff like that. They also give you the option where they will send you Instacart cooler bags, and then you'll start seeing those batches. So yeah, it's a lot of people that say I'm not seeing a lot of batches, I'm not seeing any big batches, I'm not seeing any good batches. That might be the reason why. So go ahead and check your app. Make sure you're doing those in-app trainings, and you just have everything you need to succeed and to, you know, see those batches. Okay, so this one I've touched on multiple times. It's ratings. I can't stress this enough. You want to make sure that your ratings up. You keep your ratings up. Instacart sends the best batches to the 5-star shoppers, and for the the Instacart shoppers that they can trust, the Instacart shoppers that are getting good ratings and getting nice comments about them. Also, with those good ratings, Instacart is returning those customers to you. So if you're in the area and one of your customers that rated you a 5-star put in an order, Instacart is giving you their order because they already know you and they know that the customer already likes you. They gave you a good rating. So yeah, you're getting repeat customers off of your ratings. So yeah, keep those ratings up. So I want to touch on it really quickly. There's a few other things that affect your pay. One, being ratings. Like I said before, you're not getting the good batches, and you're working extra hard for the money that we're getting with a little 5-item batch. Like, yeah, you don't want to do that. So keep your ratings up. Another thing that's going to affect your pay is refunds. I know sometimes it's out of our hand if the store doesn't have it and we have to refund it, but if you don't have to refund it, it pays to contact those customers and ask them, hey, do you want a replacement? Or sometimes just suggest a replacement, because a lot of the times say that they wanted Prego sauce in 18 ounces and all they had is the 32. Like, obviously, if they put the order in for the Prego sauce, they wanted it, and if they're not responding to you, go ahead and give them the 32. I'm pretty sure they'll be happy to get it instead of you refunding it. And when you refund it, your tip goes down. So yeah, that's my tip to you guys. If you can avoid refunds, do so. Also, while you're shopping your batch, I don't know if you noticed in the bottom right corner, you're being timed. If you're going over this time, this is affecting your pay. If you're going over the time that the customer expects to receive their order, sometimes when you get a batch, you'll see in batch details, it'll say something like expected by 1:02 p.m. or something like that. Anything after that, it affects your pay. You're not getting your full tips. I don't think they take the base pay away, but they definitely take those tips away. So if you want to keep all your tips and maximize your earnings, I would definitely say shop smart and shop fast. Okay, so this next one may be a game changer for you guys. I don't know if you knew, but you do not have to shop at the store that Instacart tells you have to shop at. So I figured this out one day because I actually went to the wrong store, and when I got there, I pressed start shopping. Instacart told me, it doesn't look like you're at the address. Do you want to shop here anyways? And I'm like, sure, why not? It was a Kroger that I was supposed to be at, and I did end up shopping at another Kroger that was down the street. Wasn't a big deal. Ended up doing that and got it to the customer perfectly fine. But there was another instance where Instacart was sending me to another store that was so far away from the customer's house, and I knew that there was a Kroger closer. So what I did is I drove closer to the closer Kroger to the customer's house instead of wasting my gas to shop at that store. And I mean, it's taking a gamble because a lot of the times they might not have something that the customer wants, and then you'll have to do a refund, or you'll have to worry about a return or a replacement or anything like that. But I got lucky. That goes under shop smart. Like, if Instacart is trying to send you 6 miles out the way and you know that there's a store that takes Instacart like right here, shop at that store. Okay, so the last thing that they don't tell you is Instacart is super competitive. Like I said before, they're going off of your ratings, they're going off of where you are, your location, how fast you're swiping these batches. So my tip to you guys is just be quick, be efficient, make sure that what you're doing is quality, because nobody wants nobody wants a half-ass shopper shopping their stuff. Like, you wouldn't want it, so don't do it to anybody else. These are the things that's gonna help you guys basically stay afloat in this Instacart game, because that's exactly what it is. Like, you guys seen the update. Not many people are getting batches, and they're wondering why. These are the only tips that I can give you guys, because I don't actually know what's going on inside your app, and I don't actually know if there's, all the people that I gave the reset advice to, most of them came back and said, oh yeah, great, it helped. But then, like I said before, there's other people who are like, oh no, we hate Instacart. It didn't work. So go in your app and check all the things that I said earlier, just to make sure that there's not other things preventing you from seeing these batches.